In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and understand visitor data on your Hostinger account. By the end of this guide, you'll feel more confident in navigating your website's analytics, giving you valuable insights into how visitors are interacting with your site. This can help you make informed decisions and enhance your online presence. To start, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger login page. Here, enter your account credentials, that's your registered email address and your password, and click the login button. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is secure, so consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already, to add an extra layer of security. Once you are successfully logged in, you will land on the Hostinger dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website, and from here, you'll have access to various tools and features. Look for the option labeled Analytics or Website Stats. The exact wording might vary as Hostinger updates its user interface from time to time, but it should be fairly straightforward to locate, often housed under a website or statistics section in the navigation menu. If you're having trouble, Hostinger's search function is handy for quickly jumping to the right page. Clicking on Analytics or Website Stats will take you to the Analytics section. Here you'll be greeted with a variety of data displays, providing an overview of your website's performance. You'll likely find graphs, charts, and tables showing visitor data. These tools are designed to offer a comprehensive look at who your visitors are, where they're coming from, and how they're interacting with your website. Now let's explore the visitor data available to you. At first glance, you might see a summary of total visits, unique visitors, and page views for a specific time frame. Understanding these metrics is crucial. Total visits represents the cumulative number of times all your pages are viewed, whereas unique visitors counts each visitor once, regardless of how many times they return. This helps in distinguishing repeat visits from new traffic. Pay attention to the traffic sources section too. This reveals whether your visitors are finding you through search engines, direct URLs, backlinks, or social media platforms. This insight helps you focus more on the avenues that are driving the most traffic. Take your time to explore additional features like geographic data, showing where your visitors are located, and device specifics, revealing whether they're using desktops, tablets, or smartphones. These insights can be pivotal when considering design adjustments or marketing strategies. There you have it! A simple way to dive into your website's analytics through Hostinger. As you become more familiar with interpreting this data, you'll be better equipped to optimize your website and enhance user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.